So if you're getting the error code 46 in your LiftMaster and you're wondering what are the things that you could try doing here to fix this problem, well, there are a few things that you could do. So first is you want to start with the basics. You want to do a power check. Now before diving into sensors or even wires here, make sure the opener itself is getting steady power. Unplug it for a moment, then plug it back in and give it a small reset. Now if it's on a shared outlet or power strip, connect it directly to the wall just to rule out weak current. Also, peek at your home's breaker box. Sometimes a tripped switch can cut off the opener without you noticing. Also, you want to give the sensor a quick clean here. So down near the bottom of the garage door tracks, you'll find two little sensors facing each other. Those are the safety eyes. Now, if there's dust, cobwebs, or dirt on their lenses, the opener might think something's blocking the path and flash error 46. Take a soft cloth or tissue here, gently wipe both lenses until they're clear. And also, you may want to realign the sensor. Now, once they're clean, look closely at the sensor light. Each one should stay solid, not flicker. If one light is off or blinking, the sensors aren't properly aligned. Slightly adjust them until both are pointing straight toward each other. It's a small tweak that often clears the error instantly. Next is you may want to look over the wiring. Now, if the sensor seems fine but the problem sticks around, it's time to trace the wires leading up to your opener. Sometimes vibration or movement can loosen a connection or even cause a wire to fray, so make sure all the wires are secure and not pinched or damaged. Now, poor connection can break communication between the sensors and the opener. Next is you want to test the door balance here. Now, disconnect the door from the opener by pulling the red release cord. Lift the door halfway and see what happens. Now, if it stays in place here, if it drops or feels unusually heavy, the door might be unbalanced, putting stress on the sensors and opener. That's something best adjusted by a technician. But knowing this helps you identify if the problem is mechanical or rather than electrical. And finally, you may want to reset or reach out for help. Now, if you've checked everything here and the error code is still showing, unplug the opener again, leave it off for about a minute before powering it back up. Give the system a clean restart here. After that, try opening and closing the door to see if it runs smoothly. If it shows 46, it's probably time to contact LiftMaster support or a qualified repair tech to inspect it deeper. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.